You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Wednesday after US debt ceiling concern eased and Janet Yellen was nominated as the next chairman of the Federal Reserve. The greenback ended the day on 1.3523 to the euro and 97.34 to the yen. Today's data includes initial jobless claims which are expected to fall to 307,000 from 308,000 previously. Next to the euro. The euro weakened on Wednesday, falling to the dollar after default fears eased, but then recovering after data showed better than expected rise in industrial production. The single currency ended the day 1.3523 to the dollar and 131.63 to the yen. Today's data includes the publication of the ECB's monthly report and a speech from President of the ECB Mario Draghi in New York. British pound. The pound fell on Wednesday after data showed poor results across the board, with industrial and manufacturing production falling below expectations and trade data showing a deepening trade deficit. Sterling ended the day 1.5954 to the dollar and 0.8475 to the euro. Today's data includes the BOE rate decisions, which is expected to keep policy unchanged, and the best lending rate remaining at 0.5% and asset purchases at 375 billion. Japanese yen. The yen fell Wednesday after safety flows dried up as a result of signs in Washington that a short-term solution might be found for raising the debt ceiling, and the BOJ kept policy unchanged at its monthly meeting. The yen ended the day 97.34 to the dollar and 155.27 to the pound. Today's data includes commentary from the BOJ Governor Kuroda, the domestic corporate goods price index, which is expected to fall basis point to 0.2% month-on-month, and Japan money stock in September. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signal from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.353 with 1.347 and 1.3455 inside. The upside penetration of 1.353, which will open the way to 1.3555 and 1.3585. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6 with targets at 1.588 and 1.583. The upside penetration of 1.6, which will call for a rebound towards 1.6045 and 1.609. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 97.2 with targets at 97.85 and 98.05. The downside penetration of 97.2, which will call for 96.95 and 96.75. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.